In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a radiator fan switch on your Honda Accord. This will be located on the thermostat housing on the front of the motor. Let's get started. We're going to open up the radiator drain. Before opening up the radiator, be sure you have a drain pan under you. We're going to start draining the coolant. To drain the coolant faster, we're going to open up the radiator cap. This will allow air in the top and it'll flow out much easier. Once the coolant's done draining, go ahead and close the coolant drain. We're going to remove the connector for the radiator fan switch. There's a push button on the back where my forefinger is. Push on that, pull straight out. That's that button. I'm going to put a rag or towel under my sensor. There may be some fluid that comes out. Using a 24mm wrench, we're going to loosen the sensor and remove it from the thermostat housing. Install the new sensor. We're going to bottom the sensor out right there, and then we're just going to go about 1/8 of a turn. Make it nice and snug. Remove our rag. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Using a coolant funnel, we're going to fill the coolant. Once you have the coolant filled, go ahead and start the car and let it run until it hits operating temp. You'll hear the radiator fans kick on. Once you have bubbles stopped coming out of the radiator, you can go ahead and remove the coolant funnel. Install the radiator cap, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.